This bad boy right here could fit so much free stuff. So if you guys don't know what's in this box, check the link down below in the description. This is that custom black and gold system that was built by NZXT using one of their extremely limited black and gold 700i cases, coupled obviously with the black and gold MSI Lightning Z card. Now this system right here is extremely rare because you can't buy this case anymore. So that's why this giveaway is kind of exciting for me because one, it's a hell of a system. Whoever gets this computer, regardless of what you've already got or don't have or whatever, this computer is freaking amazing. So it's got a 9900K in there that's slightly overclocked. We did that ourselves. 32 gigabytes of G.Skill DDR4 Trident Z RGB memory. It's got a Z390 MEG MSI motherboard, which of course is an overclocking motherboard and RGB lighting and stuff on that. And of course, the 2080 Ti Lightning Z, a $1,600 graphics card that you can't even buy. So yeah, this system is going to make someone extremely happy. Now we use Gleam to do our giveaways. It keeps things as fair as possible. It keeps us legal because you have to have things like terms and conditions and all that sort of stuff. Believe it or not, there's a lot of legal tape that goes on with giveaways. So that's one of the reasons why we use Gleam, because there's various ways that we can make sure that we stay in compliance with our giveaways. Now, if you want to see a full list of the rules and the terms and conditions on the giveaway, then you need to go there and read. I won't be answering any questions in the comments or on Twitter about when's the giveaway end or this and that, because all the information that you need is gonna be there. But what I'm thinking with this is basically, they had the idea of, Jay, why don't you give away this system for your 2 million subscribers? Well, we're about to hit 1.9 million right now. I'm hitting 100 subscribers once again, guys. So I remember when I hit 100. That was an exciting day for me, but I digress. We're at about 1.9 million right now. So we think that with this giveaway and some other things that we're doing, that we can get that number to 2 million pretty quickly, where this will be our celebratory giveaway. This is our 2 million subscriber giveaway. So once we hit that number, then we will draw the winner. And all that stuff will be announced on Twitter. So if you're not following on Twitter, you don't have to follow to actually see the tweets. You put a link or something, I don't know. We'll figure it out. But that's it. This is going to one lucky winner. The part that makes people very unhappy, and I have no control over this, I didn't make the rules because this isn't my giveaway. I didn't sponsor it. This is unfortunately going to be a United States giveaway only. Not 100% positive on Canada. The rules will be down below because I'll be updating them. But that's because of all sorts of legal tape that goes into sending a system like this overseas, and bonds that have to be set up, and taxes and VAT and all that sort of stuff. So it's one of those things that, in terms of staying as legally out of trouble as possible, this particular system is not going to be available to those outside of the United States. It sucks. I know. You're booing right now and disliking. I have no control over it, so I can't even get upset about it because it's not my doing. I promise. Just blame the governments. It's all in the governments, man. They don't want you to have this computer, man. I'm telling you, it's all a conspiracy, man. Anyway, just click the link down below and enter.